Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be going out into the garden, something that I have been desperately needing to do but haven't got round to doing, so I thought I would bring you along with me. We are going to be sort of prepping the garden ready for spring. I've got a list of things to do, which is why I've got my little trug with me. I first of all need to feed my roses over here. They are coming up beautifully already this year, so I just want to pop some feed around the bases of those, as now is a good time to feed them. I'm also going to pick off any of the leaves that look a little bit sort of had it. This one in particular looks not very well, so we'll treat that. I've got some I've got a potting bench to build to go down here. I built this the other day over on my Instagram. This is like a mini greenhouse, and I've actually got some dahlias, whatever you would like to call them. I've got some tubers to plant, and then they need to stay inside this greenhouse until probably like June or July, I think it is. So we're going to get them started today as well. So that's another job. And then I think and one more gardening job is to go up here. We've got our peach trees, but I've also got some things that I need to cut back. So I've got some hydrangea Annabelle here that are starting to sprout, but I'm just going to see if they need cutting back anymore. They actually look okay, to be honest. I did cut them back, or they were cut back when I bought them, so we might do that, but I'm just going to have a look through. But as you can see, all my beautiful spring bulbs are starting to come through. Don't they look fab? Love them so much. Yeah, and then I have one more thing to do. Excuse the plane going overhead. So now that plane has gone, the one other thing that I need to do with you today is build some furniture that I have received from Cotswold Company. It's like a little bistro set that I'm going to be putting here, or maybe over there. I haven't decided. I'm going to create like a pocket of peace, just somewhere where I can come out in the morning and have a coffee and just reflect in the sunshine, as I love summer and just having a coffee outside and a pastry or something like that. So I'm going to build that with you today as well. Obviously the garden is still all quite tied down from the winter. You can see all the furniture here. So as the days go on, we'll open this all up, but actually we're getting some new furniture this year. We're getting a new table to go in this space, and we've also got a egg chair arriving this week, which I think I'm going to put under the pergola. Very exciting. The pergola as well this year, I'm going to put some shade above it so Freya and I can play outside. So yeah, we've got lots happening in the garden this year that I will share with you, but there's just a few jobs that we're going to be doing today. Let's get on. Freya's having a nap, so I must get on and not waffle too much. So I have decided that I'm going to start with this. Freya is still having her nap, so it's easy to assemble furniture and things like that while she's asleep. There's two boxes. One's probably got the chairs in, and one has got the table from what I can see. So let's do this.
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking wild, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the...
And here it is in all its glory. Isn't this just lovely? I love it. So I'll link it below, like I said, but it's a bistro set from Cotswold Company. It's a lovely black metal. It's like a matte finish, and then it has these really lovely kind of taupey, beigey cushions. I love it. It's so nice. I'm still not sure where I'm going to put it, but I can't wait to sit out here and have a morning coffee in the sunshine. Yeah, right, on to the next thing. I'm going to give these rose bushes some feed. So that's my next job. And I'm also going to see if I can find my rose clear, as this poor rose, look at its leaves. They are black. It's definitely got some kind of infection. So I'm no gardener, but I just went on a Gardener's World, and they recommended cutting off any stems that have what they call black spots on it, as it's a fungus. So I'm going to trim this back, and then I'm going to put a fresh layer of compost around the bottom. I'm going to clear all this away and pop in some rose food, and hopefully, fingers crossed, it will go. I thought I had some rose clear like spray, but I can't find it anywhere, so we'll try this, and if that doesn't work, I will buy some more rose clear, as I do find that works. So this could just really be from last summer and just leaves that haven't gone back, because this here is all new growth. So we'll do that and see what happens. Everyone, so it has been a few days since we were out in the garden. It actually started raining red dust that day we were out doing the roses, so we had to come inside. You can kind of see the remnants here. Apparently there was rain from the Sahara or something like that, but look at my new table and chairs. It's a bit I wish I hadn't have put them together now, but oh well, it's done. So I'm going to clean those down. I've still got a few jobs to do, and Freya is having a nap again, and the sun is out, so I thought I would come and do them. We took delivery today of another piece of garden furniture, this one here, a beautiful egg chair from the Cotswold Company, so I'm going to put that together with you, and I'm also going to build my potting bench, as I really want to get my dahlias potted, and yeah, do a few other little jobs. But it's so nice to be outside and for the sun to be shining. It's just lovely. It really feels like spring now. But yeah, must get on before Freya wakes.
We believe it's real. It's high up above from ground. We're closer to heaven.
Isn't she a beauty? This is the Frampton egg chair from the Cotswold Company. It's gorgeous. I had a little sit in it, as you saw, and it's very comfortable. I think we're going to keep it here. I quite like it here, and I'm going to sort out these pots and put them around it, so that will look nice. I don't think I'm going to do those right now though, as you know, little miss is still asleep, so I'm going to crack on and I'm going to build my potting bench, which is going around this corner around here, along with the veg trug and the little mini greenhouse. So I'm going to crack on and do that. Look who woke up. Gonna say hello? No. So Freya's obviously woken up. It took me a very, very long time to build this potting bench. I wouldn't recommend it, but it does look good. Let me spin you around and I will show you. So it looks a little bit like this. It goes really well with the greenhouse, and I know I'm going to get loads of use out of it, but yeah, it was just a little bit of a pain to put together. But I've now got to repot these indoor muscari that I like to have out. I've also got my dahlias to pot as well, and that's just going to be really handy for those. But the question I am asking myself at the minute is, do I paint both of these new ones to match the veg trug over here that I painted at our old house? I really love that green colour, so yeah, I might do that. But yeah, I've got those to do, and I've got a few bits to do over here, just cutting back some plants, and I also really want to do these over here by the egg chair. I didn't share with you today how we got on with the roses because it started raining red rain, but yeah, that one's now looking a lot more healthy. I cut it all back and I put some fresh soil and some rose pellets around it today, like food for it, and this one as well. So I'm going to water that in, and then hopefully they should have a really good start to the summer season. But yeah, we are now gonna trim back that up there and then do those, and that'll be us done for the day. I'm sorry if my camera's moving around. Freya's trying to grab it. I'm now going to put her down and we're going to crack on before we lose the sunshine. Aren't we, Freya? Yes. Let's get on, Mummy. Freya, look at the bubbles. I feel like we're going to have to scrap the garden plan. Freya is having too much fun with the bubbles. So yeah, we'll finish everything off another day. So I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you for joining me in our little afternoon outside in the garden. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, take care and stay safe.